Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your site type so you pick the correct integration path. For WordPress, use a plugin. For React, use a package. For HTML, embed a widget. Once done, register with the Translator service and copy the API key or script snippet. Make sure to store it securely. You should also back up the site so changes are reversible. These steps speed later setup and avoid lost work. Don't skip the API key or backup. You now integrate the translator. Install the chosen plugin or package, or paste the widget script into your site's header. Next, configure the default language, list which languages to show, and set UI placement so buttons don't obstruct content. If you're coding, add the API key to environment variables instead of inline code. Make sure to restrict key usage to your domain. Test in a staging environment to verify translations load and UI behaves across screen sizes and devices. You finish by testing translations on multiple pages and devices so you confirm accuracy and UI flow. Make sure to check SEO implications like hreflang if needed. Deploy to production once tests pass, then monitor for errors, latency, and user feedback to catch issues early. If the translator fails, check API usage limits, inspect browser console for CORS or script errors, and revalidate the API key or domain restrictions. One tip: enable detailed logs to pinpoint failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.